My work is always arcing back to where I'm from. I grew up in a really big family, kind of in a rural part of California. We lived in a 2-bedroom house, and my sisters would sleep in the living room. We had this big window facing the street. And I just remember as a kid watching the light streaks come in, and I remember being so transfixed by that, by just how beautiful it was. I spent the formative years of my life just observing and watching. That's like the first step in making an image. And I think I spent so many years looking at things. I didn't realize that I was training myself. I had gone on the internet, typed in young boys in Asia, and the results page was full of young white kids. It was such a stark contrast to the way I was raised. I remember going camping with my brother, and I remember seeing people like me out in nature. And my initial thought was I'm gonna make images so that maybe I can disrupt that. So if somebody searched this, maybe it's one image that pops up that they know that it's possible. So much of my work is about representation and about the power of being seen. I'm constantly trying to create images that I desperately wanted to see as a kid. As a gay, brown, first-generation man, there aren't a lot of us doing this type of work, and that for me is very important to always recognize because it does influence the type of work that I do and who I photograph, because I want to always make space for the people like me and the communities that I represent. I see this as a lifelong journey that I'm embarking. Since I was 15 and picked up my first camera, it's a spiritual endeavor, and I think the idea of being an artist means that you're dedicated to this lifelong journey.